Hello, it's Phil Cross, Heyward Toyota. Here's a 2019 Camry XSE in supersonic red. It's got the panoramic moonroof. The tinted windows are going to be reworked. They're going to be lighter color, so they're legal. I sold this car new. It's one of my repeat customers. The family has grown, a new addition, so they have to get into a SUV. So it's our win. Just putting new Eagle Goodyear tires on it this week. Has to go through certification process. And that should be certified. Blind spot monitoring with rear cross traffic alert. Softex seating, 8-way power driver's seat. There's your panel moonroof. Heated front seats. Apple CarPlay. SOS system. 8-speed automatic. You've also got the paddle shifter so you can shift from the steering wheel, excuse me. Again, it still has to be cleaned up. Non-smoker. This is Phil Cross, Heyward Toyota, Athens, Georgia. Give me a call on this car. It's not going to last long. Supersonic red. 706-369-5020, extension 123.